10 minutes only I need. And it's good too. Is it last night raining already?
This actually this July.
Yeah.
I am never seen Qatar in rain. July.
Yeah.
But I see in December, January, February.
Yeah, it
I
rains.
See, yes, rains.
But this
I
time?
am almost here in 14 years. But I am never seen in July in Qatar.
Yeah.
Not raining in July.
Yeah.
It is really amazing.
That's a good thing. At least. Oh, they have a London Bridge. I'm heading home, guys. Look at that. It's raining. I feel like I'm back in Philippines. Don't put music. This is the copyright.
Yes.
It's only talking. Yeah. Wow. After a long, long time, it's still raining now. Uh-oh. We're in the tunnel. At least I can upload video today. Have a nice one. Oh, very nice. Get the tripod. Wow, it's almost our visibility. Oh, is that lightning? I hate it. So how many years you're here, brother? You see the progress, huh?
I came 2008.
Oh, I came 2009. And you can see the progress now. It's big improvement.
July, I never seen rain.
Yeah, it's strange, no? Very strange.
But January,
It's
February, December.
a global warming. So how's in your country? Is it raining as well, or
Yes, now raining.
monsoon season, huh?
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
In Philippines as well. And yesterday, there's an earthquake eruption. So a lot of people died. So. And today it's raining. Yesterday it's earthquake, and today it's raining. Can you imagine? They're struggling. They're struggling. Oh, bless them. Oh, it's raining. You share it in your Insta? It's so time. Oh my.
Actually, Qatar,
This
July,
yeah.
June, July, August,
It's very hot.
very hot. But this time, I'm never seeing rain in Qatar.
This is a real climate change now.
Yes, world changing.
Yeah, see in Europe it's
Yes.
heat wave. A lot of people died in Spain. Be safe, beautiful people. It's been flooded. Oh, it's hard when you're stuck in the middle of the road.
But here have raining time in December, January,
Yeah,
February.
that's the month normally it
It's
happens.
normally in cold time.
Yeah, and then it will be
Raining, yeah.
summer at March. No,
Yeah.
start a little warm
But little,
Yeah.
only rain. Not enough.
like this.
Yes.
It's only once in a blue moon it happen like this, the rain.
All change.
Yeah. Nowadays, everything changed. A lot of things happen. For how many years now this Corona thing? 3 years no? 4 years no?
3 years.
3 years, see? And so many things happen and change.
But people are not changed.
Yeah. People are, a lot of people get sick with this. Because they cannot go out, a lot of restriction, they cannot travel. And afraid. That's the worst thing.
Yes, yes.
Get stressed. I didn't go home for 4 years. Can you imagine?
Yesterday also come little bit rain. In
Yesterday,
afternoon.
afternoon.
Afternoon time, yes.
How many minutes? Like an hour?
No,
Oh, little.
only maybe 2-5 minutes like this.
Ah, that's the
Or
sign, no?
5-10 minutes. Yes.
So how many hours to fly from here to Bangladesh?
Qatar Airways 5 hours.
Oh, it's near.
Yes. Or Bangladesh Airlines, same line, 5 and a half.
Yeah. Me, I'm going Philippines. From here to Manila is 9 hours. Then I need to transfer for going to South for 1 hour 45 minutes.
Transit or direct?
No, there's no direct. I have to stop in the Manila, then Manila to Davao, then from Davao Airport I need to drive 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yeah, so imagine from here, I'm traveling like, I'm almost on the road for 20 hours.
Long time.
Yeah. When you get there, like you're a robot. You don't want to talk.
Sleeping.
They're talking, but you're only doing like this your head.
Some baby.
Yeah, you get dizzy. Yeah, we're here.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah,
It's rain.
yeah. Allah bless us with this rain. To cool down a little bit. Cool down, people.
Yes, because
It's really
yesterday
hot.
also 44 degrees.
Yeah.
In
Imagine
44.
44 degrees yesterday in the midday.
Yes. In Qatar, June, July, August, 44 is, this is 48, 50, construction work.
Yeah, it's really
In
hot.
morning, 10 o'clock,
Stop.
stop. And then afternoon, 4 o'clock, start.
And then what time you finish? 8 o'clock?
I don't know this rule company.
It depends on the company, no?
Minimum 8 hours,
Yeah.
maximum 12 hours.
Oh my god. So they can work 4 hours in the morning, 8 hours at night. That's very sad. And you know they don't earn that much as you expect. Almost home. Hopefully nothing, no water inside the house. Because normally the villa here, it's not good. The windows, the doors.
Not completely.
Yeah.
Come water.
3 years ago, the house of my boss was flooded inside. The kids were very happy. They said, "Oh, swimming pool inside the house."
It's free.
Yeah, they don't have any idea how hard to clean it. I think it will take the whole day for rain. Ah, she's good. I told the madam, the owner of the dog, said I'm going to visit my boss' house because it's raining. Maybe it's flooded. She's good. She said it's okay. Don't worry. European people is really cool. Oh, officer. There's a policeman. Kanchi Street. Intersection. Nice. It's raining. Raining. See where the intersection. I hope so it will not take the whole day or else it will be flooded everywhere. No, please, no more lightning. Yes, thank you, brother. I got one video today. So they will open. Sometimes they don't open. I'm getting construction with the house. Goodness. Yeah, because I'm afraid maybe water, that last one, the